So we want to also look at doing our cars from varying positions. You've seen the ones where we do them from kneeling and from all fours, but here we're going to look at them, both the shoulder and the hip, from a side lying position. So the position we adopt is as so: shoulder stacked over shoulder, hip stacked over hip. And the movement is exactly the same, we're just in a different position. So it places a slightly different demand on the joint. So with the shoulder, what we can do is drive this hand into the floor as the top arm rotates. What it allows us to do is really cement the body in place and make sure that movement stays true to the shoulder. I do like this one because as you come around, you can let gravity do the work and pull your arm into a slightly deeper range of movement. And again, we do the same going back the other way. So you can use these for your high intensity cars or the ones where you're doing them more gently in the morning. And then the hip, we can stay in the same position. This time, hands will link together. Movement is exactly the same as if you were on the floor on all fours. But this time, again, we're just in a slightly different position as it places a slightly different demand on the joint. As we come back this way, the temptation here is just to lift the knee, but we want to make sure that knee and ankle lift before we rotate that knee up. And just have a play around with them in that position.